So there's a new way to start making money with TikTok's creativity program that even beginners can start with and take advantage of while this kind of content is still fresh and not oversaturated. So I stumbled upon this TikTok account, which I find very interesting because they have gained tens of thousands of followers and views by posting this and that kind of game and become monetized fast. Their very first video was posted on February 23rd, which means this TikTok account is just 2 months old, and just 3 days later, they uploaded this couple's TikTok game, which got millions of views. How amazing is that? And you can see that their videos follow the same formula. So today, I will show you how you can replicate the same, and don't worry, it will be so easy that even beginners and students can start this kind of content and earn money on the side. So let's start. So first, we need a game question. If you can come up with ideas on your own, do that. But if not, don't worry. ChatGPT is the answer. Here's the prompt I used. Next is our graphics, and I'll be using Canva. You can search for a this or that template from here, but to take it to the next level, I highly suggest making some changes to make it more personalized so you can create your own brand. Filter the templates by clicking here, choose videos, then mobile videos. Choose what you like, then click customize. You can make different additions for your game and for which partner. Decide this first to know what kind of graphics you will use. In this video, the quiz is about what men likes when traveling. First, we need to change the background. Click on Elements, then type what you want for the background image or photo. Filter your search to choose vertical size. And choose what you like. Set it as background. But the text and options cannot be seen clearly, so we will make a little adjustment to the background. Detach the image as background, then click on the color and change to a darker shade, then set the image as background again. Click on transparency and reduce it. There you go. From what ChatGPT generated earlier, I listed a few choices for this quiz, so this is what I will be using. Change the text according to the choices that we have and then remove the circle frames. Then go to Elements, add a photo frame, then adjust the size accordingly. Duplicate it and drag the second frame on the bottom part. Now search for the photo of the options and drag it on the frame. Adjust the position accordingly and do the same for the second image. Let's change the arrows and then set the animation. If you're using a pro version of Canva, choose Magic Animate, but if you're using the free version, that's totally fine. You can just choose from the existing options and it will just turn out pretty much the same. The only difference is with Magic Animate, the AI will scan and choose the best suited animation for your graphics automatically, and the other one is done manually. Adjust the timing to 2 seconds only, then let's add a timer. Duplicate the slide, then remove everything in the middle. Add circle that will serve as an outline and search for a countdown timer. Now, you can choose a pre-made 3-second timer video with a beep sound here, but if ever you can't find a timer that you like, then you can instead create your own. To do that, search for a 3-second timer graphic and place it over the circle outline. Then duplicate it and search for a 2-second timer in the same style, and duplicate it again and add a 1-second timer. Now we'll adjust the timing. For the second and third page, set it to 1 second only, and remove the animations. For the last page, leave it to 2 seconds and change the animation to appear on exit only. Now to make this video engaging, we'll add a hook on the first part. This is where we set the rules of the game so viewers understand what will happen. To add the intro hook, duplicate the last page and move it to the first part. Remove all graphics except for the background image. Now add a text box and type in, "How well do you know your boyfriend?" Then add which edition is it. In this case, the travel edition. Then change the font and color. Next, add animation for both enter and exit. Duplicate this and change the text to your hook. The hook will be the consequence if the person answering the question gets 2 answers wrong. If you can come up with this on your own, do that, but if not, just like me, we can just use ChatGPT. Enter the text here and set the animation for entry only, then duplicate it. And here, change the animation to exit. Duplicate the text, then add your hook. We'll also add a related photo of this here to make it more engaging, and then set the hook and photos animation to both so they will appear and exit at the same time. Make some final adjustments to the font, spacing, and effects according to your liking. Now let's add a voiceover for the intro to make it more engaging. I'll use 11 Labs for this. For quizzes about couples, I find it more engaging to have a voiceover of a woman, so I will choose Allison's voice for its upbeat and millennial tone. Just paste your script here and then click Generate Speech, then download. Next, upload your voiceover to Canva, then place it on the first slide. Let's also add a beep sound effect for our timer to add to that feeling of excitement. Click on Audio, then type in beep, then choose beep 4 and click and drag it under each timer. Now, the creativity program will only consider posts that are over a minute long, so we will need at least 6 to 8 questions per quiz, and all you have to do is duplicate each slide except for the intro. To do this easily, click on Grid View at the bottom, then select all 4 slides. Then right-click on your mouse, then choose Duplicate 4 pages. Do the same until you have a total of 8 quizzes. Then edit the text and photos. And just add the beep sound effect to the rest of the timers and you're done. Click on Share, choose MP4 and HD 1080p and make sure all are selected, then click Download. Now, you have your template and all you have to do is to change the photos and text based on the questions that ChatGPT generated earlier. For the background music, make sure to choose a trending song that is already available on the TikTok app. Just make sure to reduce the audio a little so it will not overpower your voice over and sound effects. Upload each video at least every other day. There you have it, guys. Make sure to also watch this video to know how to create your own viral Japanese animation using free apps and earn money.